What is going on, everybody? Pandora, the Postcard Diva here. Hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Welcome back. Right. All right, guys, I'm calling this What's Up Wednesday. I used to do weekly what's called What's Up Wednesday. It was a little thing that I had going on, not last year, but the year before. And so today I'm calling it What's Up Wednesday. I may come back with that. Don't hold me to it. You know, I may try to come back with it, but what I would do on Wednesday is kind of give you an update on anything that may have happened between maybe the weekend up through Wednesday. Okay, and I call it What's Up Wednesday. So anyway, I'm calling today What's Up Wednesday. All right, so I'm super excited today. My adrenaline is still going from that Zoom we had last night where HBA revealed a new AI tool, not a new product, a new AI tool that's added into an existing product we already have, which means we're not even paying any more money for this. And it's called the Traffic Maestro. So they revealed this thing last night, and it was a lot. I mean, good stuff. It just was a lot to take in, that all the things that this new AI tool is going to do. And remember, we're not talking getting rid of. See, we're using AI to assist us, to help us save money, help us save time, help us to be better and enhance what we're already doing. We're not talking about, hey, just use AI and take the place of you not having to do anything, right? Twins and all the other things that you may be seeing out here. We're using it to actually assist us. So anyway, they added this, and it's just so much I can't even explain everything, but I put a link in the description for the replay. If you didn't make the live last night, I put the link in the description. You don't have to opt in. Just click it and watch the replay. All right. I mean, it's really great on what they've done. And again, this is an addition. Okay, so more value that they keep adding to this platform. I can't tell you. It's just mind-boggling. Okay, with greatness. So anyway, I just want to touch on it just a little bit. If you haven't checked out my projects to see what I've got going on, you can come here to www.coffeeandcoins.info, and this is where you actually can sign up for Home Business Academy. Right here, click this button. It says click here to start your $35 done for you turnkey system. Okay, this is where I started 6 months ago. I'm almost 7 months in, and I've been all HBA because I wanted a program that's solid with integrity. They've been around for 10 years, and you know, the last program that I was in for a year, it flopped pretty much. It's still around, but they changed the comp plan. Everything changed, literally, from what I initially signed up to receive. So that residual went, okay. And then the one prior to that, they sold the company. I was with them for 7 years and doing very well with that residual program. They sold the company, and then of course the level of service changed, and I don't even know if that website is up anymore. So anyway, I was looking for a new residual program, and HBA, I got back in it. I was in it in 2020, maybe for 3 months. I had so many other programs I was in, I couldn't even focus on it really. But it did, you know, I made sales in it for that short period of time, and then I just went away, right? And here I am 5 years later. I came back and I signed up November of last year, and it's been serving me very well, I may say. So anyway, that's the back history of that real quick. But I just want to discuss with you again. They talked about last night that new AI tool. So you gotta check that link out, and they've got a great special bonus for everybody that does sign up for the $35 starter pack, and I'm gonna show you what that's about. And you can sign up with me at www.residualsystem.com. That'll take you straight to the capture page, or if you come over here, you're going to come to this page and then click this green button to get started. And this bonus that they've got ends on Saturday at 11/11. And when they say it ends, it ends. They're not a company that just say it for hype or clickbait. Okay, 11/11. So 11/12, if you try to go and click that link, it's going to take you to the capture page. The replay is going to be gone, which means the bonus is gone. So if you're interested in HBA and getting started and getting this bonus that they're offering, you need to do it before Saturday, 11/11. All right, so anyway, let's go in here real quick. Check this out. So it's called the Traffic Maestro, right? Now, when we used to click right here, tongue twister, right here where this tab is, it says Premium. When we used to click this, all the AI tools would show up, right? But now they have this new thing that's on, it's called onboarding, and everybody has to do it if you want to use the premium tools. You want to use the premium, anything dealing with premium, you're going to have to do onboarding. So not just the new people, but those of us that's already in the program. Because this system is going to help. It's going to help you be a better marketer. It's going to help you with everything that you do. All right, online, whether it's making videos, and it's going to get to know you. So we got to go through this process. We've got to answer certain questions, and this thing is going to know us, and it's going to help us improve on that. So it does so much, guys. So we look here. It was over 200 people on this call last night, consistently, pretty much. I'm down here. It doesn't show all the people. It kind of just stays in an area. So I'm kind of right down here. You see me at that 136 mark. But check this out right here. Hold on. And let me correct something. It was actually over 300 people. My goodness. Okay. All right. So check this out real quick. This little snippet.
Create the life that you want. Spend more time with your family. Spend more time doing your hobbies. Spend more time going on cruises like Diane all the time and traveling the world. Life is short. I say this all the time, but I'm getting gray hairs. And when I let my hair grow long, the grays pop out. And when I see these gray hairs in the mirror, I'm just like, man, life is just passing by and it's going to be over sometime. It's too short. It's too short to spend it doing something you hate. It's too short to living a life that's less than the full potential that you've got inside of you. And that's really what we want to do, is we want to help people just live fully out into the world and be your best self and make the world a better place and build freedom. So when we build these tools, like Larry said, they're not just, hey, what can we make that people will buy? Notice there was no cost to the thing we built tonight. We didn't ask you guys for any money. You're already a member. And that's a difference in our philosophy, is all throughout the first years of our online marketing career, here's the pattern. Launch a product, get everyone excited. Launch another product, get everyone excited, make some more money. Oh, go join this other business, launch a new product, get everyone excited. And you're just shuffling people around. And in the process, people are getting stepped on and goals and dreams are getting destroyed because it crushes you. When you lose an income, it crushes you when somebody that you trust destroys that trust. I was thinking about Diane today. Stephanie says, what is the timeline for the button that is promoting something else other than HBA? Well, the timeline is it should be live now, with the caveat that I just programmed it yesterday, so I didn't have time to go thoroughly test it. So if you find a bug, let me know. We will fix it. But it is live. We wanted to have that live because we knew that was going to be something that people wanted. So it should be live, Stephanie.
Thank you.
And I went through that today, and it actually worked. So, yeah, we're good with the other offer.
Thank goodness. Yeah, she says, I have 2 members want to promote something else. Yes. And how much does it cost? Just your membership. Everything we showed you tonight, no advertising costs, no ads. This is free content, and it works really well.
Is there anybody here that's not on board that has any questions? Anybody that is on the fence? Anybody that needs to link?
Here to the left. So wanted to shout out Anna Maciel, who just went all in and upgraded to premium. Amy Starlin made a sell. Chris Hanschmidt just upgraded to premium. Got started with the funnel builder. Paul Hutchings made a sell. Woo! You can see this is within the last hour. Josh Elder made a sell. Juan Thames just upgraded to premium. Robin Williams made a sell. So you can look and see, like, people are making sales all day, every day.
Just wanted to share that snippet with you guys. It was emotional. It was exciting. It was a little bit of everything. Some folks came on, did some testimonies of how HBA has been great to them. So you got to check it out. The link in the description. So anyway, let me show you this, guys. So now, and I'm going to go through mine. So when I come back, whether it's tomorrow or the next day, because I'm going to go through this onboarding very carefully. so I can make sure my system is set up correctly. All right, for me. So let me show you what it looks like. So you'll see before we go and do the onboarding. All right, so when I click premium now, look at it. This is how it comes up. Okay, because of course I was already a premium, but I'm just letting you know everybody has to go through the onboarding. So just want to give you a sneak peek of how it's going to look. Check it out. Your funnel's ready. Your follow-ups dialed in. Okay, now you need traffic. So I got to go through here, answer some questions. All right, and start right here. It says start the challenge, and it's exclusive for HBA premium members. All along the way, Traffic Maestro learns you. This is what it's going to do. Okay, let's back up here. First, see the magic in the action. In the next few minutes, you'll see how easy this can be and quickly realize that any past failures were not your fault. Up to now, it's all been way too complicated. That ends today. Okay, along the way, Traffic Maestro learns you, your story, your offer, your voice. Cutting edge AI trained on decades of marketing knowledge, all in the palm of your hand. All right, so as you can see, these little dots down here, circles. So that's how it looks now. But once I go through the onboarding and get mine set up, then you can see the you'll be able to see the AI tools just like it was before, and it's going to be pretty cool. I'm excited about that. Okay, remember I talked about if you go ahead and sign up for $35, they have this special bonus, right? I'm gonna click back over here. Here's the replay, right? My link is in the description. See right here, it says replay and bonus coming down. This is what I talked about earlier. This clock is ticking. Once it hits zeros here, this page goes away and it turns into a capture page. Okay, all this is over. The bonus is over. The replay is gone. All right, so below, when you click my link for the replay, you'll see this, right? This is the bonus. It's called the Unfair Advantage. 50 plus proven angle templates, direct response formulas, and the exact lead getting system 90% of marketers will never know exists. Okay? Now, I'm going to show you here who qualifies. Okay? This is in our social community area. Okay? Who qualifies to get this bonus? Okay, first of all, you can go to www.residualsystem.com, get signed up, pay your $35. So any new member who joins on the $35 triple residual pack by the deadline, which is right here, I just showed you, right? When this clock ends, it's over. Okay. Any existing member who upgrades to the premium by Saturday, 11/11. Okay. All existing premium members, so I'm already a premium member, so I have access to that. There's some real gold in this ebook. All of what you find in this ebook and more is being applied simply and effortlessly on your behalf when you use the Traffic Maestro. Okay, so I went ahead, since I have access, right? I have instant access because I'm already a premium member. Look, it's 51 pages, guys. I already downloaded it onto as a PDF. Okay, so this is good stuff. I'm not gonna show you the goods, but here it is. I have access to it, so it's the real deal. Now let me tell you what else is pretty cool. The company is, this is not clickbait, any of that. They're confident in what they have to offer. This is just an extra bonus. So even if you join, you pay your $35. HBA has a 3-day money-back guarantee. 3 days. You pay $35. Within 3 days, if you decide, and you already have this PDF, you get to keep it. They're not going to say give it back because, you already have access and you can download it. So you get to keep it. So that's even wild because they're confident in their, in the program. And so we don't even worry about refunds, all that kind of stuff, chargebacks. Okay, so you have nothing to lose. Okay, so I just want to stress that. All right, so there you have it. So we've got our new Traffic Maestro. I just got to go through the onboarding, get myself set up there. And that way, when I start using my tools again, all my AI tools, the system will get to know me and know how I market, who's my target market, all that stuff. It's just great. The best way to find out everything, because I wouldn't be able to explain it if I could, okay, it's so much detail. You just want to click that link in the description. You're going to see this page right here. Okay, watch this, guys. An hour and a half. It's a little bit long, but you don't even think about the time because you're watching and you're excited about what they're presenting. Okay, so you owe it to yourself. No pressure. I'm just excited about it because, again, they've added so much even for the time that I've been in here. Yes, they revamped this whole program. They didn't change the comp plan, any of that stuff when I got in back in November. But they've added so much within that 7-month time. I've lost count of everything. They just keep adding and adding and adding. So anyway, it's definitely worth you checking out. It's a great way to build residual income. That's what I can say. They have the 3 products that's residual based, Let's Go, Funnel Builder, Premium, and then they have this one product where you pay one time and you're able to earn $400 and $800 commissions on that one. But you have to be a member. You have to purchase at least one product. And if you purchase this financial literacy within the first 10 days of becoming a member, they'll give it to you for 50% off because it's retail at $1,000. But you pay $500. So if you want to go all in, if you watch that replay and you say, you know what, I think I found something that I'm going to try and I'm going to go all in. I want everything today. You're looking at $500 plus $35. So $535, that will give you all 4 products. Okay, and then remember, premium not even paying for it today. You got 2 weeks of premium for free. So the $35 is going to cover 3 products, but you're only paying for 2. You get Let's Go, Funnel Builder, and Premium for the $35 because you get 2 weeks of premium for free. Okay, and then you get this product, you're looking at a total of $535. So if that sounds great to you, go to www.residualsystem.com. Feel free to reach out to me. My information is in the description. But watch this replay, which is going to give you a great overview of everything. And just to show you, hey, has this been working for me? Let me show you some results. Okay, of course, can't make any income claims. FTC disclaimer. Okay, average affiliates can expect to earn $346 with this business. For full earnings disclosure, make sure you visit income.thehba.net to earn much higher income amounts because you have to put the work in. You can learn the skill here, and if you committed to it, you can get the results, okay? But we can't make any income claims or any guarantees. So, you know, results will vary. Everybody puts in different efforts, right? So some people don't put any efforts, right? And then they don't get any results. So income claim disclaimer on that. But let me just show you last week, because we get paid every Thursday. So tomorrow will be payday. But last Thursday, let me show you what happened over here. Okay, so that was May 21st, right? So let me show you. I'm going to click it. Hang on. All right, so if you look right here, they paid out $770 to me last week. All right, with this company. So if you do the work, guys, you'll get the results. But you got to do the work. Okay, I'd love to have you as a part of my tribe. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And I look forward to seeing you on the inside of HBA. So do me a favor, like the video, please, and thank you. And don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there, guys. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.